Hi, my name is Abe Perez. I'm the drummer slash percussionist in the band Glasspirits. I have at this time 9 drum sets, and I have 3 LP sets of congas, and then I have 4 sets of bongos. They're all LPs except for one's a Pearl. I fell in love with it. And I have 3 cajones at this time. So I do endorse Spaun Drums and Scymtek cymbals, and I want to talk a little bit about myself and my influences in music and about my equipment. Another set that I have is a hot rod set that has some black tribal yellow hot rod flames with chrome hardware. And it's a really, really, really beautiful set. It has the look of an old vintage car that they restore and fix all up when you see in a car show, like a Roadster, one of those that has that look. Yeah, that set was made for that.
You want to see us live, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my cries